Good evening, folks. We are live at 10:38, and we are battling for Kenneth's. I'm going to copy these on my way up. Kenneth's CAS Blue Snaggletooth. It's a nice one, too, which we will get to in just a moment. I'm going to copy the list while I have it here. We're going to come up and take a look at what you guys are battling for. Ooh, there it is. It's an 80. Nice. Very nice indeed. There we go. Okay, here we go. Going to paste the list in here at random. We got 130 big old spotses. There we go. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got a 9er, which means we are good for action. Good luck, everyone, as we get to it. Samson takes round 1. Ron round 2. Samson again on top in round 3. Ron again on round 4. Samson again round 5. And round 6. Matt Johnson round 7. And round 8. Which brings us now to the big one. To the last round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Andrew Dean in at number 80. Congratulations, Andrew. Nice hit. Here's the verification and official results. IGI KLM. Andrew Dean, number 80, is the champ of the CAS Blue Snaggletooth. Well done. I'm done at 10:39. There she is. Again, here's the official results and our winner, Andrew, number 80. Congrats. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.